Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7127XX. 77,000 miles on this Acadia. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Quicksilver metallic in color. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, along with rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials overhead. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6. 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 13 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7127XX to 66.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.